Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your own all natural flaxseed gel. So say goodbye to Eco Styler and all these other styling gels. I'm going to show you how to make your own gel with just flax seeds and water. So if you want to learn, stay tuned. So you're going to need some water, preferably I use distilled water, a measuring cup, flax seeds, a fork, and utensils, a pot of course. And also you're going to need a strainer and a nylon sock to strain out the seeds. So I'm going to take 2 cups of water and pour it onto the measuring cup, and I'm going to take half a cup of flax seeds. So after you properly measured out your ingredients, you want to make sure you turn the stove on. That is very important. Yeah, don't be like me, be better than me. So you want your seed water to reach to a boil, and what we're looking for is a mucus gel-like texture when we lift the fork up from the water. So right now you can see it's not ready. It's very watery. So it hasn't reached its gel-like texture, and you want to stand close to the stove. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes to reach gel-like consistency. By boiling the flax seeds with the water is going to extract the gel mucilage from the seeds to make a gel-like texture like so. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for that thick, fatty gel layer that's going to sit on top of the water just like this. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to see a gel-like trace. So try not to steer too far from the kitchen when you're making this. So as you can see, we are ready. So this is the texture that we're looking for. This is the part where you want to take a strainer. I prefer you get a nylon sock to strain it out. It's better that way. I didn't extract as much gel as I should have because I didn't use a nylon sock. I just used a strainer because that's all I had on hand. This is my leftovers. If I had a nylon sock, I would have been able to get all that gel out, but hey. This is the finished product. As you can see, I got a couple seeds left over, but I'm going to leave it in there for the organic touch. I'm going to add some oils to my gel. Olive oil is very penetratable for the hair. Jojoba oil for the culture. Tea tree and lavender, which will act for scents, and also it'll be a mild preservative to keep the gel good. So I'm going to add a couple drops of the essential oils here, just about 5 drops to each. And I'm going to mix the oil and the gel around and convert it over to this cosmetic jar. So yes, guys, this is flaxseed gel. And you can also use any oil that you like. I prefer olive oil because it really gets into the hair shaft and it penetrates and moisturizes. Using your own flaxseed gel has hella benefits. First of all, flaxseed gel is super moisturizing to the hair, and it's all natural. It's eco-friendly, it's budget friendly. You can go to Sprouts and get flax seeds by the pound for about less than $2. So if you don't want to go to Target and spend $100,000 every week like how I do, you can just go buy your own flax seeds, boil some water, and make your own gel. And you can use any product that you have at home in combination with your wash and go, and you don't have to buy crazy new products, crazy new gels every week. A lot of people who use their own flaxseed gel don't even buy Eco Styler anymore because it works just as good or even better. And the biggest advantage, it's 100% natural, and who wouldn't want natural products in their hair? So I'm gonna go the natural route this week, and I am not gonna use kinky curly like how I usually use it. I am gonna use my own natural flaxseed gel for my wash and go this week. So stay tuned, guys, to see how I make it work.